We have a commitment to make sure that everyone is safe. We do this to reduce flooding, to reduce the damage that flooding causes, particularly to individual homeowners and property owners in the city. I'm Brian Rahal. I'm a civil engineer with the Stormwater Management Division. At Hume Avenue, there's a lack of inlet capacity in that roadway, only at one low spot. It drains about 3 acres and it all runs down to one spot in Hume Avenue. Unfortunately, the inlets there are quite small, and so with a big storm, it easily overwhelms those inlets and starts filling up the roadway and then floods. So what we're trying to do is increase that capacity at the curb to allow more water that runs down the gutter to get in the pipes quicker by increasing the size, the length of the inlets in the road.